In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add a line to your AT&T plan. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the official website of AT&T. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your wireless account and look for the option that says add a line, add a device, or shop for a new line. Next, choose how do you like to add the new line. If you are bringing your own compatible phone, select the bring your own device option and enter your device IMEI number when prompted to confirm compatibility. If you want to purchase a new phone from AT&T, browse the available devices, choose the one you want and select your preferred color, storage capacity and payment option, such as paying in full or using an eligible installment plan. After that, choose the wireless plan for the new line. In many cases, the new line can be added to your existing unlimited or shared data plan, although the monthly cost will depend on your current plan and the number of lines already on your account. Review any available promotions, trade-in offers, or discounts that may apply before continuing. Next, review your order carefully, confirm the new line, select a device if you are purchasing one, your wireless plan, monthly charges, taxes, and any activation fees that may apply. Enter or verify your billing and shipping information if a new device or SIM card is being delivered to you. Once everything looks correct, complete the checkout process and submit your order. If you are purchasing a new phone or SIM card, AT&T will ship it to your address. After it arrives, follow the included activation instructions or activate the new line to your AT&T account. If you are using an eSIM compatible device, you may be able to activate the line digitally without waiting for a physical SIM card. After activation is complete, insert the SIM card if required. Restart a phone and wait a few minutes for it to connect to the AT&T network. Once connected, you will be able to make calls, send text messages, and use mobile data on your new line. That's it. This way you can easily add a new line to your AT&T plan. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.